Small Boss focuses on MBBR media researching and development from 2002. It's the first factory to produce MBBR media in China. More than 16 types of MBBR media was developed after 19 years of research. It has different size, weight, and surface area. Small Boss also can provide OEM service for you according to your drawings. Small Boss only provides US and European quality standard products with 3 main advantages. First strength, first grade HDPE material, elasticity, impact strength, shape is excellent. Second strength, quicker hanged membrane. Third strength, suitable density, mixed better in an aeration tank. In order to produce excellent MBBR media with best water treatment efficiency, Small Boss invested huge funds to build the MBBR laboratory. We can test the COD, BOD, TAN, biofilm growth efficiency. Our MBBR media always keeps in top quality after thousands of tests and improvements. We have become the #1 supplier of MBBR media in China now. The production capacity has been increased to 20,000 CBM per month. We always have a huge stock of 10,000 cubic meters. Small Boss has ISO, SGS, B-Trust, S-Metacarp, and 15 years of Alibaba Gold Supplier certification. We're your trustworthy partner. Please feel free to contact us by alibaba.com if you want to know more.